So you have the rolling walker from Vocic, and in this video I'm going to go over some of the top questions I was seeing for this walker. I saw how long does it take to get assembled and do you need any tools? Second question I was seeing is it comfortable to sit on? And the third question was, will this work on gravel or more hard terrain when you're rolling over it? So let's get to that first question. What was the assembly process like? I had this thing fully assembled in 5 to 10 minutes. It didn't take any tools. All you do is pop things into place, and they have everything nicely labeled for you. It's just putting like A to A, so you're just matching letters, and it's only really 4 legs. So super, super easy to get together. And now for the second question, is it comfortable to sit on? So yes, I find it very comfortable to sit on. I'll turn it around here. But it's gonna have an ergonomic chair here, or seat. They say you're supposed to be able to sit in it for 120 minutes comfortably. Now I haven't sat in it for 2 hours straight, but I will say I can definitely feel that it is comfortable. On the back, they have a dynamic backrest, they call it, but basically it's just padded, and it just is not like straight across. It's gonna let you feel like you're sitting in a comfortable chair. But overall, I find this very comfortable to sit on. Maybe you won't be sitting in for 2 hours straight, but you definitely can sit down for half hour, and I think you're gonna be very, very comfortable in it. Now to answer that final question, does this walker work on gravel or tougher terrain? So these wheels are 8 inches in diameter. Most walkers that I've demoed are 6 inches, so this does have a little bit bigger wheels to it, and they also are puncture-proof. So you should be able to handle those small rocks and gravel or just tougher terrain. But overall, this walker is awesome. It's heavy duty, can hold up to 350 pounds, so it should be able to support most people. It was easy to assemble, and overall just as easy to move around. So I am very happy with this. I give it 2 thumbs up.